Climate change and environmental degradation are putting the future of the world at stake. To overcome these challenges, every nation is looking into how to tackle climate change, and over 90% of world GDP is now covered by net zero commitments. Wind, sun, and tidal power are all ideals when it comes to producing renewable energy, but another carbon-neutral way is to make good use of existing waste materials. Unlike coal, oil, and gas, biomass plants are carbon neutral and provide a bridge along the road from fossil fuel reliance to climate neutrality. In Kehl, in the southwest of Germany, a biomass plant has been producing heat and power for more than 20 years. The combined heat and power plant is a facility for the simultaneous production of thermal and electrical responsive mechanical energy in one process. For many organizations, this is the measure that offers the most significant single opportunity to reduce energy costs and to improve environmental performance, with existing users typically saving around 20% of their energy costs.
We work organically to generate steam for the paper mill, and then we feed the electricity we generate back into the grid. Sustainability plays a very important role because we want to produce and work with climate-neutral electricity by 2030.
Even clean energy plants need cleaning, and so twice a year it shuts down for maintenance. This year, the plant is using sustainable electric compressors to drive its triennial revamp of its renewably powered kiln. IB Service, a specialist in rejuvenating waste incineration plants and industrial boilers, has been appointed for this essential task.
At the moment we're at the biomass heating power plant and are now carrying out the blasting and cleaning work for the maintenance measures. We have the compressors with us for sandblasting the membrane walls of the combustion chamber so that all of the deposits can be removed.
At Atlas Copco, we're on a road to zero emissions, pioneering solutions that help customers around the world become more sustainable, more efficient, and ready for the world of tomorrow. Our electric compressors are a key component in making this a reality. In the right application, like indoors on this plant, these machines provide low noise levels, zero diesel engine emissions, improved efficiency, and reliability.
We use the electric compressors since they are highly efficient because we get the intake of air directly. With the electric compressors we have the advantage that there are no exhaust fumes and the noise level is significantly reduced, thereby also protecting our employees as a result. We don't need to refill AdBlue, we don't need diesel fuel, and we don't need to check every shift to see if the tanks are full or not. The e-air has such tremendous added value that we will continue to invest in electric compressors. This is how we shape our future.
Thanks to the latest sustainable innovations from Atlas Copco, we're helping to deliver sustainable solutions for every tough application that doesn't compromise on performance or our planet.